Well, I'm back from the ultimate off-road field trip at Wolf Caves in Mason, just outside of Mason, Texas. It was really, it was a cool ride. I had a great time. Really what it was a fans ride with some YouTubers. And I had the opportunity to wheel with Matt and Colt from Bleepin' Jeep. That was really neat. Had some other folks there. Mischief Maker Holly Fowler was there. I got to meet Walter, or her husband. That was kind of neat. And there were quite a few others. What is it? Off-Road and Chill, Luna, and I can't remember her husband's name. They had 2 rigs there. It was a great time, great trip. We wheeled Friday and Saturday. There I was. Y'all saw the end result if you saw that last video, where sitting in line, minding my own business, waiting my turn, and everybody starts yelling, fire, fire, smoke, and people are running. I'm looking around trying to figure out who's on fire, where's the smoke coming from, and lo and behold, they were all running towards me in Raggedy Red. It was me. So fortunately, it was not a fire, but unfortunately, we do have some damage to Raggedy Red. I don't know that it's major, maybe a head gasket. I don't know. The smoke that was coming out was kind of whitish with a little blue hue to it, so I'm not sure. I'll pull it apart and figure out where the damage is and what it is. But with these setbacks always comes opportunity, right? So I've got a 6-liter that's sitting on a stand. And I'm going to pull the 5.3 out of Raggedy Red. I got the 6-liter I've got fresh heads on it. It's a junkyard motor, but it's a really good rotating assembly from what I could tell. I'm going to carry it to the machine shop, Scroggins Machine in Houston. They did my heads for that motor, did a great job from all accounts. They look really good. So I'm going to carry the small block or the short block down there. And he's going to freshen it up, new bearings, align, hone everything, hone the cylinders out and re-ring everything. So we should be in good shape. So I'll take you along, and we got to get this thing loaded up and off to Scroggins, hopefully at lunch tomorrow. I don't know. I'm going to load it in my wife's SUV. She doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to put it in the back of her car. So follow along. This is a project I didn't know I was going to have, but hey, I think it's an opportunity. Raggedy Red's going to be back. She's going to be badder than ever, so stick around, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.
What are you doing?
I'm putting this motor in your car.
Why are you putting it in my car?
Because you have that plastic thing in your car, and I don't want it to get grease in the Jeep.
This is a Mercedes.
It'll hold it. It'll be all right.
I'm gonna need you to clean my car when you're done.
I'll clean your car when I'm done. Women. Ugh. All right, so we're sneaking out of work on a Monday. to go drop this motor off. So here we go. Don't tell anybody that we snuck out.
Yeah, don't tell my boss.
Yeah. Don't tell Chad's boss. I mean Shane. Whoops. Who is Chad? Who's probably watching this. Here we go. So here we go.
Yeah, I tell you what, let's back it up right here.
Okay.
Is it a bear block or short block?
Short block.
I tell you what, if we'll back it up right here, then we can get my roll cart right there. And we
Okay.
can roll it right off.
We're gonna back it up.
Oh yeah, it's 20 over already. Is it? Yeah.
How can you tell?
0.50 millimeters.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 0.50 millimeters, a dead giveaway.
Okay.
So got a tingly there, but I think it'll be okay. Alright. Doesn't really feel like it's got a...
No, I couldn't feel any grooves, yeah.
So we'll check. And now this is a motor that you purchased. It's
I
not
did.
the one that you sent me the video of.
No, that one's still in the buggy.
Okay.
That one's still in the buggy, so...
Yeah, we'll determine that one day, I guess.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Been there, done that bow-legging.
There we go.
Everything came with it. Got it?
Cool.
All right.
Awesome.
From an SUV.
427.
So how much power would this put out bone stock, no emissions?
It's like 285, isn't it?
It's a lot more if you go straight pipe, or get you a real silent blow-through muffler, and no catalytic converters.
Yeah, I don't have this is an off-road rock buggy.
Yeah, you'll make a lot more.
You need to just put 560 gears in it, and it'll be fine.
I got 538s.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That's good. Nobody usually thinks about that. They always want to go big tires, but no gears.
No, I got
You kill the body.
538s, and I've got a 4-speed transfer case. So my crawl ratio is 10 to 1.
That's great.
So, yeah, you get out and walk faster than this thing will go.
Unbelievable, man. Wow.
That's in low though.
Now you want to be able to not tune the computer, right? You want to just go.
I'm gonna have to get it
You have to
tuned.
get it tuned.
Yeah.
But there's
Okay,
other.
so you are running some sort of a cam then?
No, but going from a 5.3 to a 6-liter,
Oh,
it's
I
gonna
got you.
run
I
lean.
got you.
So
Okay.
I need to have a tuner look at it. I,
Look at like a. This is a stage 1 6-liter cam. It's probably the better.
Man, I love these guys. Joe here, he must be a hot rodder because you can see he's trying to sell me on this cam, and I told him I really want this thing bone stock. I don't want to break stuff. I don't. The 6-liter I think is going to be more than enough horsepower stock, and you can't blame a guy for trying. He's really trying. I think time's on my side. Keep it stock. It'll be reliable.
It is.
And I don't want to start breaking stuff. So you
Yeah,
break
as long as
something,
you make
that
clear
stuff
the-
gets expensive.
Have exhaust free flowing.
Yeah, it is.
You're gonna make more power big time.
Yeah.
That's gonna free up a lot of power.
I do not.
Sounds like a sewing machine.
So it has it's straight. It goes through a resonator, and then it's got like a turbo muffler, and it's a single exhaust. It's dual into a single. I want it quiet. I'm getting a little older.
Yeah. See, that's where I'm at. That's where he's not.
Yeah,
He's
him either.
always-
His is loud as hell. So think sewing machine, man.
Yeah. All right, man.
Hey, see you guys. Thank y'all. And there you have it. We're done. All right, we got to go back to work now.
I knew you could pull the cam out.
I like these guys. I'm bringing
Yeah.
my motor here.
They're really
Me
good.
and him will get along. What do you got? Let's make this sucker home.
And there you have it, guys. The motor is dropped off with the machine shop, Scroggins Machine. If you need work on your motor, these guys have done right by me and I'm sure they'll do right by you. Scroggins Machine in Houston, Texas. Take a look, give them a call. They will hook you up. Guys, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the trail. Thank you.